So it is a secret waterfall adventure. Number 3, we spent the morning trying to find this waterfall that is kind of on the edge of the road to Hana, spills off into the ocean. Spent a couple hours trying to find it. Didn't turn out to be the right one, but now we think we found it. So let's see if it's the right one. But before we find that one, we gotta go check out some other waterfalls first and go jump off them. 100% the right way. We can hear the stream, so I think we're in the right spot. You just never know. Just want to interrupt this this hike with a quick probability time with Jeff. Jeff, what do you think the probability is that we find this waterfall?
I'd say
it's the right one.
Well, Matt, I'd say it's about 100%.
100%. You heard it here first.
0.
Get ready!
Exclamation. I'd say, actually, rethinking it, I'd say we're looking at a little more like 1,000%.
That's off the charts.
That's just my estimation. But we'll see. You know, you never know till you're there.
You never know until you're there. Okay, we didn't even realize it, but we're in for a treat. You were in for a treat. And not just the waterfall that's like down there by the ocean, but there's a waterfall right in front of me that looks pretty sick. Last time we thought this was it, so I flew the drone up and we saw this one and we're like, no, this is it. And yes, oh, this is it. That's the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys love this spot just as much as we did. This has got to be like one of the top spots for me on Maui. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does make a difference. So thank you again, and we'll see you on the next video.